Okay, I did that on purpose so that I wanted to deal with accidents. And I don't want to deal with an accident. I'm trying to get home. That's what I'm trying to do. So me coming over there, slowing down traffic. Well, traffic is way back there anyways. But still, I prevented an accident. I get a gold star. Oh, I have a yellow bike, so that works too. That was funny. She was like getting onto it, but then she saw the camera and just like, nope. Yeah, it's partying in Grandma's van. Slow down, because if you're constantly braking, you're tailgating. That's what it means. Thank you. That was a red light. Well, you fail. Like 2 minutes away. Right signals and go left. Jeez. I wonder he put them out backwards probably. Usually there's like a connection. Well, actually usually it goes one way. I don't know. There's like usually a little connection. You just connect it to the trailer and that activates your braking and your signals. Oh my god, dude, you have your freaking brights on. Actually, no, they're not your brights, it's the height of it. They're not as bright as high beams, but they're annoying when you have a lifted truck because now your headlights are pointing at everyone's eyes. I know you can see me with those type of meters. I know you can see me. If you come to look at them, maybe you come to see me. He looks at me. He knows I'm right here. I can tell. Hey. It's like, oh, there's the motorcycle right there. It's like, damn right. Yeah, he probably didn't even see me.